KitchenTube HD. I'm Kitcha, I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Today I'm gonna make mushroom-filled buns. It's very yummy. Let's get started. So let's start with the filling. First, get a saucepan, heat it up, and add butter. Next, add chopped garlic. Saute a little bit. Next goes in onions. Let's add chopped mushrooms. That's the main ingredient of this filling. If you want, you can add chicken to this, but then I love mushrooms. Saute until cooked. Let's add the salt and spices. Salt, chili flakes, dried basil leaves, dried oregano. Mix. The mushroom is cooked. Add tomato sauce, chopped parsley leaves. Mix. The filling is done. Now let's get the buns ready. My oven is preheating at 200 degrees centigrade. Now let's make a hole in the buns to put our filling. Take a knife and cut a circle. Press it down. I have some unsalted butter mixed with chopped garlic and parsley leaves. Let's grease it all over the bread. Now let's add the filling. Top it up with grated cheddar cheese. Next, I'm gonna add cheese slices on top. Add a little bit more grated cheese on top. A little bit for me. Next, add a drop of tomato sauce. Yummy. Over that, add one parsley. Doesn't it look pretty? Next, transfer it into a greased baking tray. Bake it at 200 degrees centigrade for 10 to 15 minutes. Now our mushroom filled buns are ready. Taste time! Tomato sauce. So yummy! Yum. I love it. Please do try this at home and don't forget to subscribe, like and follow. Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchenTube. Bye! Mwah.